Hey girl with the big foot. Hey! Listen what me said. No! Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot. Hey! Go up on the bed. Oh! Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet. Yeah! Me know say you see it. Your big toe need no 2 row of seat. Big foot. Yeah! Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
You can run how fast?
Very fast.
Like 25 miles? You run 28 miles an hour.
Yeah.
That's faster than a squirrel.
Miami olan Okulbo, James da sağlı dedi. Tehlikeli bitleri ukleniyor çesini. Tady už je.
Faster than the speed limit in a school zone. You could get pulled over for that. Yeah, if you're
It's your conscience speaking. Don't do it. Stop running. Retire. Go play football. Go play golf.
faster than gravity, which means you could run 10 meters faster than you would actually fall 10 meters.
Yeah, I never knew that.
Yeah, well, now you know. If you're falling, you could hurry up and run out of the way. Yeah.
Tanto vediamo lo scalzo. Ah, mamma mia!
No, questa poi no.
Pazzesco. Zoppica un po', è stato investito dalla canna.
Okay, so
Right away, but I'm pretty lazy, so just one of those things.
So when you're not running, you're lazy?
Yes, very.
Well, you're saving.
Who don't know much about track and field, it's good for them to come out, see the excitement, and enjoy a good competition. I'm sure all the athletes gave them a good show, so I'm happy.
Thank you very much, Usain. It was great to having you here. Usain Bolt oczywiście zadowolony. Cel na ten bieg był, żeby zejść poniżej 10 sekund i udało się. To oczywiście nic niezwykłego w jego przypadku, ale to rzeczywiście w tym sezonie było ważne, żeby ze startu na start poprawiać się. Zadowolony jest z tego, że pierwszy raz w historii, pierwszy raz w karierze mógł pobiec poniżej na stadionie.
My aunt told, I remember they were interviewing my aunt and she said, oh, I think it's because of the yams. He always eats yams when he's younger, but I don't think. I think she was trying to sell yams, man.
She's a yam seller?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So she's probably getting the sale up.
I see.
Came in here, like the first time, what did you think?
I just said I got to be competitive. I know these guys.
Sorry. Congrats, man. Congrats.
Did you even know who he was when the season started?
No. Don't you, but man, listen. Great job. That's all I can say. Well done, man. Well done.
Something, I don't know if it's acting, but you should be in front of the camera because you've got a charming personality. You really do.
What about my face?
Oh, that's...
Trash talking.
It's just fantastic.
No, but she doesn't like Usain Bolt. She's the one person that doesn't like Usain.
She's like the guards outside Buckingham Palace. She's going, stay cool, stay cool, stay cool, stay cool. The world is not watching me.
We got blocks if you want them as an option, or we can just get rid of them.
And it's backwards, man. You can tell people who did not set this up with not track people.
Okay, so watch the line.
Hey, what are you doing?
Watch the line. Okay, my fault. I want a fair race.
Listen, fair race, all right?
Two-time Olympic champions of the 100 meters.
And tonight, he could become the only man in history to double back and win the Olympic 100 and 200 double twice. He did it in Beijing.
На Асафа работать, не сдаваться. 9.79. Здорово, новый рекорд соревнований. И у Асафы очень хороший будет результат. Ну, девушка, ты же с ума сошла. Это как под автобус, он же не может остановиться. Такая махина.
He's gonna sing some Bob Marley, you know, like a bit of don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. What's going on here?
Alô, Alex? Estamos a... O Bolt não estava gostando muito de esperar. Um monstro.
Hey, you cannot do that.